Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, it's your brewing Santa. Not really, but hey. I'm just looking to save you a little bit of money this holiday season if you're looking to buy some equipment because you just really want it, you need it, or you're just like, hey, I gotta get it. And Spike Brewing, yeah, Spike Brewing's getting into the game and they are doing an amazing, simple, very simple sale, very straightforward, no confusion, 15% off. No, not everything, but pretty close. So this is the bottom drain Spike Solo. And now you can also get the flat bottom. Honestly, I don't think there's a big difference unless maybe you're gonna do a ton of hops and whirlpooling. That bottom drain can be very advantageous and help make things a little easier on you. But both are great systems. This thing is way underestimated when you look at the specs as far as what it can do for efficiencies and things like that. And Brewfather or Beersmith always had high efficiencies on this bad boy. Very simple to use, does a great job, and 15% off. I can't get any better. Trio systems, for y'all who really like to go a little crazy and you want 3 kettles going on your table. Trio systems, all sizes, no exceptions, all sizes, 15% off. That's right. Nano systems. Yeah, I know. We've got some people in here looking to start a brewery, some people work at breweries, and they went, wait a minute, did he just say nano systems? Nano systems. You're not talking like 5 or 10, you're talking 15% off nano systems. Yes, that's correct. I don't think that's been done before. So 15% off nano systems and off select accessories that you might need for that, which would include your PRV, your O2 kit, your Carbstone, your MPT or TC solo basket, Spike apparel, and recipe kits. I didn't even know they did recipe kits. So I'm gonna leave, you're gonna hear me right, non-affiliate links down below to get you 15% off anything at Spike Brewing that I mentioned. Your mileage may vary. You never know when they're gonna run out of something, so get what you wanna get and get it early. And you never know when there might be some other things they're throwing in there that I don't know about yet, because this is a little early and I'm trying to make sure I give you a little heads up. Cheers, appreciate you. Hopefully you had a safe holiday and keep having a safe, because the holidays aren't over yet. But yeah, check out the Spike Brewing. The Solo works amazing, super easy to use, does a great job. Like I said, it blows the efficiencies away that I see in Beersmith and Brewfather, and I'm not sure why they underestimate. Plus, I can put a lot more grains in here than they say I can. So, but that's me, yeah. So, cheers, appreciate you.